For this installation, you will need some tape. Start by locating the map light console. Using the flat trim tool to pry open the map light lens. We highlight here where the clips attach the lens to the housing. Use some tape to wrap around the bulb. Hold the tape to remove the bolt. Next, install the new LED light bulb and test it. Align the lens clips and tabs with the opening in the console and snap it. When measuring by light meter, the LED light is 6 times brighter than incandescent light. These new LED bulbs light up the entire cabin all the way to the floor.